Welcome to my Indian Astrology. Today I'll discuss about some tips regarding horoscope or Kundali. First point. How do you know from a horoscope that whether it is a day birth or night birth? Let's take this example. Sun rises on your first house and sets on your 7th house, but totally opposite direction of your house. Means sun rises on first house, then it goes to the 12th house, then it goes to the 11th house, then at noon it will be in the 10th house, and so on, and it sets on your 7th house. Now question is, at what point or what degree it will rises or it will be in sets. So your ascendant degree is the rising point of sun, and exactly 7th house or 180 degree of your ascendant degree is the sun sets point. So if in your horoscope sun is in between your rising point and set point, then it will be a day birth, or if it is not, then it will be in night birth. Here you can see that sun is on your 3rd house, so obviously it is a night birth. Here also you can say. Now suppose in this chart your Lagna is 26 degree approximately, and suppose if any planet is in 10 degree, so is that planet in day degree or in night degree? As the ascendant degree is 26 degree, so it is behind the ascendant degree. As I already said, sun traverses behind your normal chart or houses, so it will be in the day point. If this is your ascendant degree or it is your rising point degree. Similarly, exactly opposite point is your sunset degree. So any planet is in between these 2 degrees, we can say it is in the daytime point, or that planet posited in daytime, or else that planet is posited in night time. Now second point is, how do you know from a horoscope whether it is a Sukla Paksha or Krishna Paksha birth? The difference between sun and moon, if is within 180 degree, then it is a Sukla Paksha birth. If it is more than 180 degree, then it is Krishna Paksha birth. Now how to calculate the tithi? Means in which tithi the native is born. As we know, moon traverses 12 degree in one tithi. First calculate the difference between sun and moon, and then divided that result by 12, and the result will be your tithi number. say the difference between sun and moon in a horoscope is 122 degree. So first 122 degree is within 180 degree, so it is a Sukla Paksha birth. Now divided by 12. By dividing by 12, we get the 10 point something. So 10 Tithi is already traversed. Now moon is in 11th Tithi. So it is in Ekadashi. Third point. How do you know without a horoscope? Without a horoscope, at a given time, what is the ascendant or Lagna? Suppose someone called you and tell you that he is blessed with a son today at 10 o'clock. The first point will arise in your mind that what will be the ascendant of that child. So how do you know? You do not have any software or mobile apps. So how do you know? For that, this table or chart is the true position of sun in the sky throughout the year. This is the true position. Remember it. So sun is in Aries sign on every year between 21st March to 19th April. And similarly on all other Rashis are given also, like in Taurus it will be in April 20 to May 20, Gemini May 21 to June 21, and so on. Let's take an example. Suppose a person born on 1st April. So from this chart you know that sun on the 1st April is in Aries sign. Now, if sun is in Aries sign on a given time, so on that day the rising sign or sun rises on that sign. Suppose on the 1st April in any place sun rises on 5 o'clock morning. So 5 o'clock morning on that day sign will be Aries. Similarly, suppose on the 1st August falls on Leo sign. So 1st August at suppose sun rises on 5:30 am. So 1st August at 5:30 am the sign will be Leo. Now remember, throughout the day each sign lasts for 2 hours on average, not actual but on average 2 hours a sign remains. So on 1st April the rising sign will be Aries at 5 o'clock. So at 7 o'clock the sign will change to Taurus. At 9 o'clock the sign will change to Gemini, and so on. Now if you generate a horoscope on 1st April on any year at 5 o'clock or sunrise time, you will see the ascendant is Pisces. Why? Because of Vayanamsa. Because because the earth tilt 24 degree now, and each year it will tilt by 52 minutes. Now it is 24 degree something. That's why we see the rising sign is one sign behind of the actual true sign. So if on 1st April, if your sign will be the Aries, but the actual sign will be the one sign behind, that is Pisces. So, if on the 7 o'clock, if the true sign will be the Taurus, but the actual sign will be the Aries at 1st April. Now, at 10 o'clock, what will be the sign of 1st April? So, rising sign at 5 o'clock is Pisces. So, 7 o'clock it is Aries, 9 o'clock it is Taurus, and 11 o'clock is Gemini. So, at 10 it is Taurus. Okay, got it? Now, how do you know from a horoscope? What is the birth date and birth time? See, the rising sign here is Cancer. Okay, and the rising degree is 26 degree something here. Now, what is the birth month and birth time? How do you know? First check where is the sun. Sun is in 3rd house, so it is night birth. Check the sun's degree. It is 27 degree something, or so let's say 28 degree. Just add the Anamsa degree, that is currently it is 24 degree. So, sun is in Virgo 28 degree plus 24 degree. So, it will be Libra 22 degree. So, in Libra, sun's true position is 23rd September to 23rd October. Sun traverse each day, or sun takes 1 degree to traverse each day. So, on 23rd September, sun will be in 1st degree of Libra. It is sun's true position. Okay. So, calculate the 22 day with 23rd September. So, roughly we will get 15 October. So, this person born on 15 October. Now, what is the time? As I said that your ascendant degree is your rising point. Here ascendant degree is 26 degree something, and sun is on 28 degree Virgo. So, sun will take almost 2 sign or 60 degree almost to reach that rising point, means 26 degree on Cancer. As I already said that each sign takes 2 hours to remain. So, to reach that rising point, sun will take 4 hours. Now, sun is in night position. So, you have to minus it from your sunrise time. Let's say this is the October birth. So, sun rises late. So, 5:30 I guess. 5:30 minus 4 hours. So, it will roughly 1:39. So this person borns at 1:30 a.m. on 15th October. This is the average time, not actually. It may be different with 5 or 10 minutes if you calculate the actual time. But with this technique, you can easily calculate almost accurate date and time. So this is the end of the video. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get notified. Thank you.